What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this, companies around the world are quietly replacing their employees with AI tools that cost less than your Netflix subscription? This isn't science fiction. This is happening in 2025, and by 2026, millions of jobs across writing, design, coding, and customer service will be gone. But here's the thing nobody talks about. The people who know about these tools, they're not losing jobs. They're making more money than ever. Stay with me, because today I'm showing you exactly which AI tools are doing this, and how you can use them to your advantage before everyone else does. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel covers AI and technology in a way that actually matters to your life and your income. Make sure you subscribe, because this space is moving fast and you don't want to miss what's coming. Now, let's get into it.
Number 1. AI Customer Service Agents. Companies like Klarna, one of Europe's biggest fintech firms, publicly announced that their AI assistant is now doing the work of 700 customer service employees. 1 AI. 700 humans. Gone. The tool they use is built on large language models, the same technology behind ChatGPT. It handles customer complaints, refunds, and queries, 24 hours a day, in multiple languages, with zero salary. If you work in customer support, retail service, or help desk roles, this is your direct replacement. But here's how you flip it: learn to build or manage these bots using tools like Intercom AI or Tidio, and companies will pay you to set them up. Number 2. AI Design Tools, specifically Adobe Firefly and Canva AI. Graphic designers used to charge hundreds of dollars for work that these tools now do in 30 seconds. A logo. A brand kit. A full social media template. Marketing teams at major companies are now running with zero in-house designers because AI generates what they need instantly. Canva AI is free. Adobe Firefly is built into products millions already use. The designers surviving this? They're not fighting the tools, they're using them to deliver 10x more work in the same time and charging the same rates. That's how you stay ahead. Number 3. AI Writing Tools, led by Jasper AI and Claude. Content writers, copywriters, bloggers, this one hits close to home. Companies that used to hire 10 writers now hire 2, one to prompt the AI, one to edit the output. Jasper AI can write a full blog post, an email campaign, and a product description in under 5 minutes. What used to take a team a full day now takes one person an hour. But again, the opportunity is massive. Businesses still need someone who understands how to use these tools strategically. If you learn prompt engineering, the skill of giving AI the right instructions, you can charge $50 to $100 an hour as a freelancer. That job didn't exist 3 years ago. Number 4. GitHub Copilot for Coding. This one shocked the tech world. GitHub Copilot, an AI built by Microsoft and OpenAI, literally writes code alongside developers in real time. Junior developers who spent weeks writing basic functions. Copilot does that in seconds. Microsoft's own internal studies showed developer productivity increased by over 55% using this tool. Some companies have already stopped hiring junior developers entirely. But senior developers who use Copilot? They're now doing the work of entire teams. The lesson: don't be the person the tool replaces. Be the person who uses the tool. And number 5, and this one might hit differently if you create content, AI video tools like Sora, Runway, and HeyGen. Video editors, translators, and even on-screen presenters are being replaced. HeyGen lets companies create a photorealistic AI avatar that speaks in any language with perfect lip sync. Sora generates entire video scenes from a text prompt. Video production companies that charged $10,000 for a corporate video are now being undercut by solo creators with a laptop and these free tools. The film industry is already fighting back with lawsuits. That's how real this is. Here's the mindset shift I want you to leave with today. Every single tool I just mentioned has 2 sides. Side 1, it replaces people who don't adapt. Side 2, it creates enormous opportunity for people who learn it first. The Industrial Revolution didn't destroy work. It changed what work looked like. AI is doing the same thing right now, in real time, and you are watching it happen. The question is, which side of this are you going to be on? The people learning these tools right now, in 2025, are going to be the highest paid people in the workforce by 2027. That window is open right now. But it won't stay open forever. If this video opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe because next week I'm covering the 7 AI tools that are actually free and making people real money from home. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you there.